I once lost money chasing an online hustle that promised easy cash.
Today, I'm exposing the dark side of online hustles in Kenya, the scams, the fake forex bots, the get paid fast apps that vanish overnight. And I'll share how it happened and what you can do to never fall for it. It started with a Telegram group.
They promised daily profits. Just deposit cash 2,000 and get 5,000 in 24 hours. Everyone in the comments was winning. I joined, I deposited my 2,000 shilling, and that was the last time I saw it. The group vanished. That feeling,
Pure pain, not just for the money, but the trust. That's when Pretty Hustle Lab was born.
place where online hustles get tested, not hyped. Since then, I've tested over 50 apps, bots, and sites. Only 15 were real. The rest, pure clout. Here's how to spot fake hustles.
They promise unrealistic returns. 2, they rush you to join fast. 3, they don't show real withdrawals.
If it feels too good to be true, it's usually coded that way, but don't lose faith, real hustles exist.
You just need patience, curiosity, and proof. That's what Pretty Hustle Lab is for. We test, fail, and share so you don't have to. If you've ever been scammed online, and comment below never again. We're building Kenya's first smart hustler community. One test, one truth at a time. Subscribe, and remember, don't trust the hype, trust the test.